So here's how to change Blogger language. First of all, open up your browser and go over to blogger.com. Then click on Sign In on the top right and log in to your Blogger account. And as you can see, we're already logged in. Now, in order to change your language, what you need to do is go over to the left panel and click on Settings. And after you come to the Settings section, if you scroll through, you will get to see a lot of options. So here, you need to find the option to change your language. So on the top, as you can see, there is an option that says Blog Language. So here, click on it, and if you scroll through, you will get to see a lot of options to choose from. Just find the language that you prefer and select it. For this tutorial, I will be selecting Russian, and then click on Save. So that is exactly how you can change your language in Blogger.